We are at Richland Community College for the 2024-25 Manufacturing Day event, and that's where we have approximately 90 students from both Eisenhower and MacArthur that are touring their Richland facilities and engaging in hands-on activities from some of our local manufacturing facilities.
I think this particular one is really good for them because they get to see both sides of manufacturing.
Let kids know what's out there and to get them more exposed to activities that they can do after school, and just to set them up for a good wage paying wise, and just to have them be successful in their career after high school.
It helped me get my plans together for the future and to make good decisions, I guess.
Here at Richland, they get to do all the different activities and see what the facilities and factories here in Decatur produce. And I don't think a lot of them knew that that's where all the corn and soybeans are going to make drinks and make all the food. So that they have come to me and just been I had no idea that that's what was going on. So I think it's really good for them to kind of connect it to what the production is. And then when we go on the tours, then they get to actually see what goes into the production of all of it, and then they've already seen the outcome of it.
We think it's important for all high school students to kind of get a feel for the opportunities that are out there in the area of manufacturing, because all of our students aren't going to go to college after high school, which is okay.
Their biggest concern is going into college when you're talking to them about it is how am I going to pay for this? So being able to get some certificates and start with a full-time job with benefits and a good salary is really what they are looking for.
Some of them will directly enter the workforce, and we want them to be educated on what's out there, what's available for them in the manufacturing field.